Hello, just getting together with you for our second video. We've been working along in the class, and there's just a few things that I want to let you know that are coming up, and some of the directions that are going. The discussions are coming along, and I'm going to jump into that first one tonight and talk to you. I also added a resources section, just things that we put in there. A discussion rubric, how you're graded on some things, flipping rubric. I can put the assignment rubric in there too. You'll see how you're graded. If you look at the assignment, you can actually see the rubric as well. But we're in this first section. What is reverse instruction? You will see we've got two discussions that are active right now. One of them is due today, one of them tomorrow. There is a video that I want you to watch. It's about 20 minutes long, and there are three things that are coming up for this week. If you look, and these things are going to start appearing for you shortly, there's going to be an assignment called the Khan Academy Overview. This is a small paper, okay, very small reflection paper, and I've got it described here. You're going to go through this part of Khan Academy. This is for teachers. You're going to go through this web page, poke around in there for a period of time so you feel like you know what the Khan Academy looks like and what it's doing. And then you're going to answer some questions for me in a paper that you'll submit online. That is due Sunday. I'm putting a lot of things due Sunday. Obviously, you can turn them in ahead of time, but I like to give you the weekend to work, and I like to lay it out towards the middle of the week, the rest of the week. So in other words, today I'm going to post that Khan assignment. Tomorrow I'm going to post the next assignment that you're going to see, which is it's called Beyond Khan, and that's a review of some things. We can just take a look at it because I know I've got part of it written. Beyond Khan is the next thing you'll have to do, and this I actually use the collaborations over here, and I'll group you together and you will post reviews. This is an example review of something that I use online. It's called PhET. It may be a game that you use. It may be another resource. Describe it. Give me quick advantages, quick disadvantages. Put your name on it. You have to do 2 of these on a document that will be found over here in collaborations. I have those directions in here when it's posted. Remember, you don't have to worry about anything until you see it here. Okay, so if I show you something ahead of time in a video, you don't have to worry till it's here. Some things will start showing up here real quickly. So that's where we're at, and the last thing that we're going to have due, and that will also be due on Sunday, is a final discussion that kind of wraps up the what is reverse instruction unit. And at that time we feel like we're in pretty good shape. We understand what they are. Next week we go into flipping tools. The next week we go into content delivery, and towards the middle of this week we'll start the next part, which is developing an instructional unit. Obviously you're not going to develop a whole unit. You're going to develop some samples, some sample lessons, some sample ideas, and we're going to put those together and try to share with each other. So I see everybody's in. I think everybody's being active. I would encourage you. I am going to put in, to look at this discussion rubric, I'll have another assignment rubric that I can put in there real quickly. Now if you look at your assignment, if you go, and I'm going to go into the student view here, this is Canvas, and you will get to where if you want to use Canvas for your delivery, you can. If you look at the George Soros article discussion, if you look up here, show rubric, you will see the rubric that we're using to grade things. All the assignments, for the most part, the discussions and the other ones do have a show rubric. Some of them may not have a rubric. It's just kind of, you're going to get this done, you're not going to get this done. But you will see show rubric, and we're right there. That is your rubric that we're going to use to grade. Okay, so you're doing well. Probably will not be a video till this weekend. I think you'll have plenty to do. I'm going to get that stuff posted. All of it will be posted by Wednesday afternoon. That is due on Sunday. Some of it will be posted today. We kind of get going early in the week, and then I give you till Sunday to get things done. You want to get done by Friday and be done for the weekend, that's fine. Outside of the discussion, as long as that you have made your post and responded to others if required. That is the only time. But as far as assignments go, they're due when they're due, but you can always turn them in ahead of time. So we're trying to be flexible. We're trying to meet busy people's schedules. So I will be posting this afternoon along with some other information for you and at least one assignment. Looking forward to seeing all your work, and I'll jump into the forums and try to get a feel for how things are going tonight. So talk to you later. Bye.